Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 billions of humans, I hope we are all in the same page on this very crucial ongoing closure civil justice sign off provided by I, Vedapriya Prose, for myself, and it is a multitasking as well. And I have to get the rightful salary that USA government have to provide, and I have to get the national benefits that USA government have to provide to me. Then I have to get the job offer sign off that USA have to provide it to me. Then I have to start the job, and I have to start the design solutions, and I have to guide the software design solutions. Then I also have to, after becoming the Vatican leader and the Supreme Judge and Supreme Family Law Judge, I have to provide all the medical compensation for the entire human kingdom. So all these tasks are to be done. So, and yes, this civil justice sign off is will solve all that problem. Okay. And it is because the civil justice because the United States of American nation with fatal negligence created a robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty to me, enforced finance disability to me, and enforced finance debt to me, and that is crime of United States of America, and that is why United States of America is at fault mode and handcuffed mode. Okay, and it's disqualified to be nation mode already because all the crime that I'm displaying, it is all skyrocketing, right? So that means USA should listen only to me, the wisest person in the whole entire planet Earth. Okay, so what is the civil justice all about? For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis' Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary, as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica, Christian Evangelist, TBN network, television network, as in Christianity, Evangelist network worldwide across the globe, is a deadliest crime. It's a deadliest crime, and it was created only for tax mandate and also to enforce poverty. Sadly, population and national governments never knew that. Okay, never knows that. So, and what is the crime? The Christian evangelists, the televangelist population worldwide, they are the Satans, they are the slaves, puppets to the Pope Francis, and they are the hell creators, they are the poverty creators, okay? And that is why they never educated Republican government, because they are all Republica minded. Okay, so that's the please note it down. Okay, when I'm saying Republica means there is a reason behind it. So they never educated. USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme judge. And it is fatal negligence of Christian Evangelist TV and television Christian Evangelist network worldwide across the globe to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica Christian Evangelist, or TV and television Christian Evangelist network worldwide across the globe, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica Christian Evangelist TV and Christian Evangelist network worldwide across the globe. So what is the crime? The Christian Evangelist and the television Christianity Evangelist network worldwide across the globe created the robocall poverty mandate, and it is the deadliest crime, and it comes under the classification of a domestic violence and subclassification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of injuries and emotional distress, then battery and types, assault and types, and then false imprisonment and types, and trespass to lands and types. So I, Vedapriya Prose, civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, owes the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off process. So Republica Christian Evangelist and TBN television Christian Evangelist network worldwide across the globe with fatal negligence failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I and took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and created the finance debt of $10,210.38, and that is a crime. and it is crime for Republica Christian Evangelist and TBN Television Christianity Evangelist Network worldwide across the globe. When ruling USA, never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I Vedapriya Prose. So civil justice is I Vedapriya Prose want Citibank CEO to pay back my debt of $10,210.38 and sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account. And Christian Evangelist TBN Television Network, Christian Evangelist Network worldwide across the globe should sign off tax-free $1,000 billion per Christian evangelist worldwide. So I don't know how much count of population are there, but for my book of civil law, I would say all the entire tele-evangelist, Christian evangelist population should pay me tax-free $500,000 billion direct deposit to the bank account. And at fault and found guilty, Pope Francis, Queen Elizabeth II, Republican government of USA can provide on the healthy wire transfer or direct finance transfer in a secured manner. Okay, and for I displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA, I Vedapriya Prose want United States of American government to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name as Vedapriya Civil Justice served. Then I Vedapriya Prose to become the Vatican leader, now is civil justice served. Then Pope Francis to resign abruptly is civil justice served. Then I Vedapriya Prose to become the Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. Then I Vedapriya Prose to become the Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations is civil justice served. Then I Vedapriya Prose to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Family, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Exports, and Department of Military, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Prose to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Prose to become the to get the dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And I hope we are all on the same page, my dear fellow mankind, and just be patient. Yes, all the crimes are skyrocketing, and yes, President Joe Biden will resign any moment now, because the crime is more. When crime is more, that gets the highest impasse. So that means elections 2020 scandal is invalid, impeachment of President Trump is invalid, President Joe Biden telling the population that he is the president of USA is invalid, everything is invalid. When Pope Francis' Satan is displayed, everything is invalid. Okay? So thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.